Hey everyone, welcome to this quick tutorial on highlighting text in Obsidian. Whether you are a student, a researcher, or someone who loves organizing notes, highlighting is a fantastic way to emphasize important points. Let's dive in. First of all, let's understand how Obsidian handles highlights. By default, Obsidian uses Markdown syntax for formatting, which includes highlighting text. To highlight to highlight text, you will need to use double equal signs before and after the text you want to highlight. Let's try it out. As you can see, when you warp text with double equal signs, it's marked for highlighting. Now, to see the highlighting in action, switch to preview mode by pressing Ctrl E on your keyboard. There it is. The text is now highlighted in yellow. Simple and effective. If you want more advanced highlighting options like custom colors or if styles, you can use Obsidian's community uh, plugins. Here's how to set that up. Go to community plugins and browse for plugins like style settings or Obsidian annotator. These plugins can expand your highlighting capabilities. Once installed, you can configure these plugins to suit your preferences. For example, you could choose different colors for different types of notes. Here are a few tips for effective highlighting in Obsidian. First, avoid over highlighting, only emphasize the most important points. Second, consider using different colors or styles for categories like tasks, ideas, or references. And that's it. Highlighting in Obsidian is a simple yet powerful way to enhance your note taking experience. Give it a try and make your notes for engaging and easier to navigate. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Obsidian tips.